In this video, we'll show you how to change the turn signal switch on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the lower plastic trim of the steering column. Using a car trim removal tool, pry off the plastic trim and lift it.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a screwdriver and a Torx T10 bit, unscrew the 2 screws holding the turn signal switch. You can now remove the turn signal switch. You can order the turn signal switch used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Insert the switch into its slot. Then screw the 2 retaining screws back in. Replace the bottom plastic trim by fitting it into the lock. You can now clip the plastic trim back. Then screw the 3 retaining bolts back in. You can now test your turn signal switch. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.